Zubi.
Yes, ma.
Go carry children clothes, go wash.
Okay.
Wait. What are you trying to do? To use hand wash?
Yes, ma.
That we have washing machine here? I don't understand. Carry it, go back and go use washing machine to wash it for me.
Okay.
70 years old man.
Today henceforth.
Yes, ma.
Anything when dirty this house,
Yes.
just use washing machine to use it wash it for me.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Take it back, Joe.
Okay. Yes, madam, you're back.
Yes, I'm
Welcome,
back.
welcome.
I can't find my laptop and my iPhone. Where do you keep it?
Oh, madam, you know as you say anything wey dirty for this compound, may I use washing machine wash am? You know, and this harmattan season, breeze, poo everywhere. So I go inside parlour and I can see your laptop and your iPhone. Dust full am. So I come pack everything, come put inside washing machine. I set am for 5 minutes. It remain 2 minutes, remain dry.
Jesus! You don't kill me. That is not what I said to you.
This
I mean,
man.
use washing machine to wash my clothes and it's for washing clothes. Where do you pack my laptop and my phone inside?
It is smoky book.
For what you have do, you are
Please,
fired.
Madam, please. See, if I no do this one, I'll go find food eat now.
Why you go
please.
find food eat
Please.
that you no follow my instruction?
Please, now wetin
You are
you tell me?
fired.
Now wetin you tell me I follow now, madam,
And
please.
You are going to pay for it also.
Wow.
Get out of my sight.
God have mercy upon us.
Get out. Get lost. I don't want to see you again. Get out.